What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we're looking at the TELESIN Smart Magnetic Neck Holder. This is a neck mount for phones and honestly a lot more. If you put one of those MagSafe little sticker magnets on pretty much anything. I've even used a Steam Deck on here. It's pretty crazy. I have a very similar TELESIN model, but this is actually a new version that I'm excited to try out. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. They've got the easy open packaging here. No knife needed. And easy as that. We've got a bit of a lanyard here. We've got the neck mount itself. We have a wrist mount. We have that MagSafe magnet we just talked about. We've got a screen cleaning cloth and wet wipes and the user guide. But this is pretty self-explanatory. If we open this up, we can see that this goes around your neck. And you might be wondering to yourself, you might ask yourself, why is it so small? How am I going to get my head around this? Well, it's actually really easy. They've got a trick. See this little button right here? All you got to do is pop that out and it comes out. So you just wrap it around your neck and plug it in. Now that you have it all set, you can actually adjust it, and it's actually pretty soft on the other side. They have some rubber there, so it's not going to dig into your chest or anything. And then you just grab a phone and snap it on. You can snap it on any way you'd like and adjust it, whether you want it to be vertical or horizontal and at any angle as well, which is really cool. So I could just walk around and record here, or what I use it for sometimes, my other one, is I'll do like an unboxing and be recording right in front of what I'm doing. So it's very easy to record that way. So yeah, definitely check it out in the link below. And for the price, you can't really beat something like this. It's just super useful. Thanks to TELESIN for sending this out, and hope you have a good one. Peace.